Hi, today we're going to create a microinverter permit plan set. Let's get started. So we're going to start off with the home page here on our project page. So the first thing we want to do is click create a plan set in the top right hand corner here. Make sure you hit this create button and you do not go to this bottom button here that says edit. That will not put you in the correct flow. So hit create, proceed. And we're going to assume that our project is already sold to our client and we have our 3D model ready to go. So we have our roof here. We'll go to step 2, which is solar. We'll make sure that we have the appropriate fire setbacks applied from our AHJ database. Hit apply. Next, we'll go ahead and hit add panels. We'll go with the REC panels, and we'll go with the IQ8 plus 240 volt microinverters. So we'll hit that. We'll auto place the panels in portrait on our roof over here, and we'll place some panels up here as well. So next we're going to go ahead and make sure that everything on the ribbon on the left hand side is clear, that there's nothing red left. So the two things that are red right now are stringing and this little I beam for structural details. So hit stringing, go across our array. We'll see that as we go across our array, there's electrical validations going on the left-hand side. And if we go a little too far, the whole system is going to turn red. So we'll go ahead and make sure that we don't go too far. We'll do 2 branch circuits here. Then we'll go ahead and add our structural details for our roof. We'll leave it as asphalt shingle, but we have a selection of roof materials. We'll do the flash foot 2. And for the attachment, for the rail, we'll do the Iron Ridge XR10. We have a decision to make for our attachments. We can do staggered or non-staggered. So we'll do staggered. And then we can decide if we want to skip rafters or not. If we have a low snow and wind load, we can go ahead and skip some rafters to save on material costs. And then we'll just say our rafters are 2x4, 24 inches on center. And then we'll go ahead and hit this button to copy the details over to the mirrored roof so we don't have to enter things twice, and hit apply. Next, we'll go to a battery. And we're going to go ahead and do a full home backup here. We'll go ahead and use end phase batteries. We'll do the 5 Ps. We'll show recommendations. I didn't put my loads in this example here, so do please ignore the net savings. So we'll go ahead and have the IQ battery 5P, hop over to our electrical, and we'll go ahead and complete our circuit. So we'll work our way down this list to complete our circuit. So we'll go ahead and add a combiner. Notice how the 2 branches auto connect to the combiner. Then we'll add our AC disconnect. From our AC disconnect, we'll go ahead and add our main service panel. We can add a meter number here. We'll ignore the utility and NEC fields because those will pull directly from our AHJ database. We'll leave our service voltage as 240. We'll leave our tie-in as a load side breaker tie-in for this project. Our feed will be top fed. Existing main breaker size will be 200. And we'll go ahead and connect our battery to the main service panel, so it'll be a full home backup. And we'll go ahead and add a battery disconnect. And we'll go ahead and click System Controller 3. Go back. You'll notice that this little electrical placeholder icon is still red. Remember, this ribbon, nothing can be red before you generate a plan set. So you go ahead and we'll just add our utility meter. And then we could also place where our batteries are going to be. So we'll just say that our batteries are going to be inside over here. Then we'll generate a preview of our signal line diagram. Now that we have a preview of our signal line diagram, we can now go to the Generate Permit Plan Set page. Remember, you have to generate a preview of the signal line diagram before generating a permit plan set. So you'll go ahead and hit Generate Permit Set. Go to this final page here. Review all the details. If there's anything missing, like client name, you can add it here. We have our project information, AHJ codes. Your company logo will be here. And if you have any additional PDFs you want to append to the final plan set, you can over here. From here, you'll go ahead and click Generate Permit Plan Set. This will take about 1 to 2 minutes, and you'll get a zip file on your computer that you'll unzip and open up in AutoCAD to make any last minute adjustments. Now that we have our zip file, we'll go ahead and hit extract all. This is very important. Hit extract so that way you have all your extras aligned. We'll double click this DWG file. And there you have it. You have your full permanent plan set that you can go through and make any last minute adjustments that you may need.